Hello traders, in this video I am reviewing the Batman EA and I'll walk you through exactly how it behaves, what kind of trading logic it's using, and what you can realistically expect from it based on proper backtesting. And real quick, before we get into it, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. All right, it's a nice addition if you want something more flexible alongside what we are looking at here. Now, very important, Batman EA is designed for MT4, and we can see that it is priced at 50 US dollars, developed by Hugh Tran Van. And from the description, it's positioned as a simple breakout system built around the zigzag indicator. Okay, right away, that gives us a strong clue about the logic behind it. Zigzag is typically used to identify swing highs and swing lows, which means this EA is likely reacting to key market structure levels rather than random price movement. Okay, so it's also designed primarily for XAUUSD, and we can see that the time frames are M15, M30, and H1. All right. One thing I like saying here is that it explicitly avoids, martingale, grade, and hedging strategies. All right. That's important because it tells us the EA is not relying on aggressive recovery systems. Okay, instead, it's using stop loss to control risk on every trade. At the same time, it allows a maximum of 2 trades. Okay, one buy and one sell depending on the setup, so it's not overloading the account with multiple positions. Now, instead of just listing features, let's actually break down what this means in practice. Because it is using zigzag, the EA is identifying recent highs and lows, right? So essentially mapping out where the market has previously reversed. Then based on that structure, it places pending orders at those levels, waiting for price to break out. So it's not chasing the market, it's positioning itself ahead of potential breakouts. That's a key advantage. It allows the EA to catch momentum moves early, especially in volatile markets like gold. But there's also a limitation here, right? Zigzag is a lagging structure tool. It withdraws as price evolves. So in choppy or fake breakout conditions, the EA can be triggered into trades that don't follow through. And that is something that we ought to pay attention to. Now, beyond entries, the EA also uses trailing stop logic, fixed stop loss, and take profit levels. There are also additional controls like spread filtering and what they call rollback logic, meaning if price pulls back from a high or low by a certain amount, it can trigger new pending orders. So overall, this is a structured breakout system with risk control and some dynamic management features built in. All right, now let's just move into the back testing because this is where everything becomes clear. All right, we're going to be testing the Batman EA on XAUUSD on the H1 time frame. All right, so let's head over here. Let's select the Batman EA. Okay, the Batman EA. We're going to be using the H1 time frame. We're going to be using XAUUSD. All right, and we are going to run the test from the beginning of the year so that we can get a meaningful data range. As always, longer backtests tend to give a more reliable picture than short-term results. So let's just start the test. All right. Okay, so we can see that the EA has already set the first pending order, right? We can see that sell stop order and that it has closed, right? We can see the buy stop here, the sell stop alongside their respective stop loss and take profit levels. Okay, so let me just pause this a bit, right? So we can see that each time that a pending order is set, the EA also sets alongside it stop loss and take profit levels. All right, let's keep going. Okay, so the EA seems to be prepared for both the buy direction and the sell direction. All right. So it only activates the one that gets triggered first. So it's essentially neutral until the market shows its hand. All right. So because the EA allows up to 2 trades, you might sometimes see it participate in consecutive breakouts if the market continues to expand, but it's not stacking aggressively, right? It's still controlled. Okay. So watch what's happening here. Okay, now we are just having consecutive buy stop orders. Consecutive buy stop orders. Okay, we're just gonna, skip to the end of this back test so that we can see how the EA performed, over the space of 4 months. All right. So in a bit now, we're going to be analyzing the results together. So the results are out, and we can see that out of an initial deposit of 10,000 US dollars, we had a total net profit of 13,000 US dollars, and 13,068.84 US dollars. All right, so that was giving us about 130% profit over the space of 4 months. The largest profit trade was $405.9. Average losing trade was $234.6. The average profit trade was $107.97, and the average losing trade was $160.19. Okay, so this tells me that the risk to reward ratio was not good actually, but at the end of the day, there seemed to be a high win rate, and that helped to achieve this total net profit because 203 trades were taken, 70 were short trades with an 88.57% win rate. All right, and then 133 trades were long with 81.2% win rate. All right, but remember that these are historical backtest results, so keep in mind that it does not guarantee future results. Okay. In conclusion, Batman EA is a straightforward breakout trading system built around market structure using zigzag. So it's best suited for traders who prefer clean, rule-based entries with controlled risk, and who understand that breakout strategies require the right market conditions to perform well. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.